Okay guys, so today we're gonna do unboxing videos for some coffee machine accessories here. This size come together with the grinder as well. Surprisingly, I ordered them both yesterday and posted yesterday, and it was delivered tonight. So it's very fast. Let's see what we got here in this box. First thing is the knockbox here. Come together with this package just now. So here's the box. As you can see, it's just a basic box, and apparently it comes with in different colors here, but I choose the black color, of course. And yeah, let's see how good is the knockbox here. Oh. Okay, so basically three different parts here that you have to so the base here is made of rubber, right? And then the main part here is plastic, and then the last one here made of I think it's a mixture between plastic and rubber. I think it's gonna be easy for you to use it, and yeah, the size is good. I think it's ideal for 58mm portafilter. Just nice. It's not too big and not too small, and yeah, just nice for you to put it on the counter, like kitchen cabinet, if you don't have any dedicated table for your coffee machine. That's the first item. Let's open the second item now. Okay, maybe the smallest one first. Can you guys guess what it is? It's kind of heavy. I think it's the stamper here. Let's open. Yep, it is. Wow, it's very heavy, guys. Okay, it's still covered in plastic here, as you can see, covered in plastic. Let's open that. Looks nice. No scratches. Yeah, no scratches here. Very clean. Oh, looks a little bit like dent here, but I'm not sure whether if you can see or not. There's one mark here. Okay, let's see. I think it's not a big deal, and I think it like two different parts where you can disassemble the two different parts here. Okay, both are made I think it's from both are metals. You know, some stamper comes with wood, also wooden stamper for this part, but this one is both are metals. Okay, looks okay, and it's only I think around 30 something ringgit. I forgot the exact price, but it's relatively much cheaper compared to buying the original accessories from the shop. Normally it's around more than 100 ringgit. Okay, now it's the third item here. Oh yeah, this is the picture. Oh, I'm not sure whether this is the suitable size that I'm looking for, because it looks pretty small. This is the smallest size. I think 350mm. Oh, but this the tip part is quite good. Yeah, it's like very sharp, so should be easy for you to do a latte art here. You can just hold like this, use your thumb. Easy to use. Maybe good for pouring. When you froth the milk, you use the other pitcher, and when you do the latte art, you can use this one. Okay, next is, oh yeah, and this one looks okay. It's not that thin also. And the last accessory here is the rubber, the base, when for you to do the stamping. When you stamp the coffee, you can put the portafilter on top of this one. and this is actually what do you call this, on the side of the counter you can put like this, right, for you to stand. See, made of rubber, looks okay. Yeah, okay guys, so this is the item, the second one, the picture, and then the stamp here, 3, and the last one is the knockbox. So 4 different items here. Guess how much? Everything comes down to, if I'm not mistaken, 130 ringgit. So yeah, not bad for the price. I'm satisfied with how the product is so far. And yeah, I think if you buy like in coffee machine suppliers for all these accessories, maybe one accessories can goes up to like 100 ringgit, but if you buy online like this, you can get all 4 items for just 130 ringgit and free shipping as well. Yep. Okay, that's all for this first video. Thank you so much for watching.